Hi guys, good news here. I finally got my own space where I call home ever since I came back to Uganda, and today this is a video to show you where I stay. It is the official house tour, room tour. It is actually a room tour, guys. I'm here to show you my space where I'm going to be living with my kids, guys, because ever since I came back I was only living with other people, with my sisters and also from my in-laws side, but right now I have got my own space and I'm staying with my kids, and it is today that you are going to be seeing everything in my house. This is my room, guys. You are most welcome to my channel. I'm called Tendo Irene. I started this YouTube channel when I was still in Saudi Arabia, where I worked for 2 years and 6 months, and now I'm back to Uganda, guys, and I'm showing you my life. I'm starting afresh. I'm actually starting from zero, maybe from 1, because it is not 0 anymore, it is 1. I'm going to be showing you my life, and today, guys, I'm showing you where I'm staying right now and whom I'm living with, and I'm going to be showing you everything in this room, guys, so that you see where I live. Should I give a hi? Hi. So this is my girl, this is my daughter. She's my first daughter. She's called Mbabazi Sheila. Sheila, say hi. Say hi. Also my son, this is my son. He's called Mugisha Sean. So this is my son. My son is called Sean. Sean for a what? Hi. 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 Sean. Olemedeo. Eh? Yabisula. Sean. Okay, Jacominaga. Oh. Allez, Sean. So guys, right now I'm turning the camera after introducing to you my family, my kids. I'm turning the camera and show you what is actually inside this room. I'm starting from the doorway, guys, and I'll be showing you everything and how I'm going to be using it. This is my humble beginning, guys. It is my humble beginning, but I'm actually feeling peaceful because I'm moving on my own pace, guys. So consider subscribing, guys, and also let us interact in the comment section, guys. Why not comment and also give this video a like? Even if you don't like it, just give it a like. Why not, guys? Okay, let me turn the camera, guys, and show you what is actually in this room where I'll be calling home from today. So guys, I'm actually starting from the outside part. I washed my clothes and you can see these are my bed sheets, and also my other clothes, they are here, right here. Yeah, I'm starting from the outside part, so that should be will be at par. This is where when we are outside, this is what you see. And also this is my door, and these are my curtains. This is what you see actually when you are outside my room. I'm trying to call it a house, guys. I'm very sorry, but let us move with that. And when you enter, this is what you first see in the house. Down, we use this to clean our food from the dust outside. And also this is what you see, guys. This is our mattress. I don't have a bed yet, guys. We are still using this, and when we wake up early in the morning, I make sure that I fold all the duvets and the blankets. These are blankets for my kids. This is my pillow. My kids don't use a pillow. And this is my duvet. When we wake up, I fold all that so that my kids get where to pray from, because it is just a small space, guys. So they have to get where to pray from. So that is their praying space. And also here, guys, this is where I charge from. And also here, I have this. This is for my girl Shla, and this is my coin bag. So guys, from this corner, it is where I cook from, and as it is clocking towards lunch, I was preparing some beans for me and for my kids, and right now they are ready. I'm remaining only to fry them. And from here, these are our jerry cans. They are the jerry cans which we use to keep our water actually. And these are our utensils. I mean the plates, forks, spoons, cups. And this is our food. You can see the onions, tomatoes, the potatoes, and some soya flour. And the sugar is right there in the container, guys. And also from the black plastic bag, there's some other foods. And the other small things, I keep them from that corner. These are my bags. It is where we keep some important clothes and some other important things for traveling. And also this blue plastic bag. It is where I keep my kids' clothes for using around here, around home. They are not folded because I can't maintain that with small kids. And these are my things which I'm going to be using for DIY. And I already did some DIY, as you can see there, guys. And this is our mattress, as I shown you earlier, guys. That is where we sleep, guys, and it is where we play from, we rest from. This mattress actually does a lot of things, guys. I can measure it on with you. And those are my clothes, guys. Yes. And also my towel is in that corner, and my DIY mirror, you can see it. I actually did that DIY earlier. And that is my coin bag, and for my daughter, this is where I change from, guys. Yes, and these are my basin. Yes, it is my basin and the bucket we use for laundry and also for bathing. And those are my carpets, guys. Yes, there are 2 shades of carpets in one house, guys. That is what I bought. This is my bag. And also the colors are letters for my kids for learning. And that is how the house looks from up, guys. Yes, that is it, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. That is the life I can afford as per now. That is my space. That is where I'm living. That is the space I call home, guys, with my kids, guys. But I thank God that I feel peace at my heart. Yeah, because peace, I think, as per now, peace is the most important thing to me. Yes, I'll be progressing, I'll be upgrading, and I think I'm going to be doing a lot of DIY to make my space beautiful, to make my space get some other stuffs, guys, which I don't have, like a bed, like a wardrobe, like a cupboard, and some other things, center table. I'll be fixing all of them in this small room, and maybe when I get a bigger room, and maybe when I build my own house, guys, why not? Subscribe, guys, hit the notification bell, guys, and also comment. Let us interact in the comment section, guys. Bye bye. Show them get to go bye bye. Bye bye. Hey, get to go bye bye. Bye bye. Hey, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Camera you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Subscribe. Show them go subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.